Why should you become an agile business analyst? Hi all, welcome to this short video. We will discuss few reasons for you to opt for agile business analyst role. Ever wondered of the sudden rise in the demand of agile business analyst role? All right, let us decipher it. The role is elevated on the two pillars, business analyst and business analyst working in an agile environment. Let us see business analysts. The industry forecast by the US Bureau of Labor Statistics states that the employment of management analysts, including business analysts, is expected to grow 14% between 2018 and 2028. This is a higher growth rate than any other professions. Now let us take second statistics of the 14th annual State of Agile report that was held in May 2020. The data which came from the respondent organizations was just amazing for agile adoption. The reason to adopt agile was the software delivery was accelerated by 71%. The management of changing priorities was enhanced by 63%. The productivity got improved by 51%. The business was much better aligned to IT now. It was found 47% improvement in this area, and software quality was enhanced by 42%. Now, it is not that the success rate of the agile projects is high. No, projects do fail irrespective of agile adoption or not. But the data shows that the agile projects fail mostly due to poor management and not due to agile implementation. But there is no denying to the fact that the IT projects adopting agile have greater success rates. The top benefits of agile adoption is stated as 70% of the respondent organizations said that agile manages the changing priorities well. Project visibility increased by 65%. Business got well aligned with IT segment, stating 65% increase in that area. Delivery speed or time to market got increased by 60%. And with empowered team, the morale goes up significantly. The best part is Agile has several methodologies catering to specific needs of different sized and different domains of organizations. From Scrum, Kanban, SAFe, Extreme Programming, and many more, one can choose from the list depending upon the time box iterations, flow of information, or the size of the team, or could be due to any other factor. These two stats simply show why the role is so much in demand. The role of an agile business analyst is very simple to bring value to the organization using agile mindset. Organization needs people who invest their skills to focus on organization's growth and bringing values or benefits to the organization. Values can be in terms of revenues, increase sales, increase efficiency, solving complex problems, and so on. These practitioners are people having analytical skills. Because of these special skills, the demand of agile business analyst is high, and one can't deny with the rising pay too. One can choose this role for many reasons, listing few of them. Job satisfaction. There is a direct relationship between one's efforts and the company's success. With shorter cycles as iterations and different collaboration techniques, agile business analysts can measure the success of their efforts. When you see the efficiency increasing due to your effort, you feel elevated, leading to high morale. Various career options. The career path still holds good like business analyst profile. Based on your skills and new learnings, you can choose roles like IT business analyst, system analyst, security analyst, data scientist, data modeler, product owner, UI specialist, trainer, and the list is having so many different career options. Salary. The in demand profiles are always paid well. Compared to a business analyst profile, agile business analyst profile gets a better remuneration. Next, the domain is not limited. The role is not specific to any industry. You can build your profile based on your interest from domains like banking, pharmaceuticals, financials, healthcare, FMCG, other processes, manufacturing, and so on. And here is the favorite. When you apply analytical thinking, your intelligence also grows. Your skill gets developed. You get stronger and smarter in your skills. This will lead to your sustenance in the industry. One can find senior and affluent roles in the career ahead. So hope you would have clear idea of why choosing Agile Business Analyst role. Thanks for watching the video. Tech Canvas team wishes you good luck. For any questions, please send mails to info@techcanvas.com or you can also contact us at the mentioned number. Thank you.